choosing a career is one of the most important decisions a person makes in life. It not only affects future income and lifestyle, but also influences personal happiness and fulfillment. With so many options available, making the right career choice can be both exciting and challenging. It's important to consider your interests, strengths, and goals when deciding on a career path. Career choice is the decision a person makes about what job or profession they want to do in the future. Like, for example, enjoy, like, Sherwin enjoy helping others and explaining things clearly. So he chose to become a teacher in the future. And another example is Sure and Cyril loved working with computers and solving problems. So he decided to pursue a career in software development.
Career choice guide, it involves selecting a path that aligns with one's interests, skills, and personality and goals. So, for example, guys, so for example, guys, kita, kanang i-choose nila lugas ka ng yung sky. Kay kanang sa atong ginabalak sa future, atong ginatano kay ano na, mag-teacher, mag-lawyer, or ano pa na. So, upon experiences natin kay ano, so, ako experience na career choice kay undecided ako kay wala pa ko kapulo kung sa ko pa na nag-career na namin.
And na-consider siya sa adolescence, consider siya as a challenges is, kita man good, kita is, naman na sa adolescence period no is, di ba, discover pa na sa itong strengths, interest, values, and personalities. So with that, without a clear understanding of ourselves, it's difficult to make a